Olivia Rodrigo. From rising star to a rock and roll legend, with two classic albums, Olivia Rodrigo has swiftly become one of the most captivating and brilliant young artists in the pop music industry. With the release of her debut single, Driver's License, in January 2021, she quickly captured the attention of audiences worldwide. Now, with her brand new second album, Guts, she solidifies her status as a budding rock and roll legend. In recognition of her remarkable talent, Rolling Stone has recently ranked every Olivia Rodrigo song. This speaks volumes about the impact she has made on the music scene and the excitement surrounding her music. Rolling Stone is renowned for its discerning taste, making this ranking a significant achievement for the young artist. Olivia Rodrigo's rise to fame has been nothing short of meteoric. From her debut single, which broke multiple streaming records and top charts globally, to the release of her much-anticipated sophomore album, she has consistently delivered stellar performances and demonstrated incredible songwriting skills. Guts, her latest album, showcases Rodrigo's evolution as an artist. With its release, she not only solidifies her place in the pop genre, but also ventures into the realm of rock and roll, displaying her versatility and willingness to explore new artistic territories. The album has already received critical acclaim for its powerful lyrics, infectious melodies, and undeniable emotional depth, further asserting Rodrigo's status as a musical force to be reckoned with. Through her music, Olivia Rodrigo has managed to capture the hearts and minds of listeners of all ages. Her ability to convey raw emotions and authentic experiences is what sets her apart from her peers. This sincerity resonates particularly with younger audiences as they navigate the challenges of adolescence and find solace in her relatable lyrics. As we celebrate Olivia Rodrigo's achievements thus far, it is impossible to ignore her potential for greatness in the future. With two classic albums already under her belt, she has indeed established herself as a legend in the making. The music industry eagerly awaits her next move as she continues to captivate audiences and redefine the sound of pop and rock and roll.